Hello guys, we are on to this series of learning Python, a 5-minute video that would, buckle up everything for you. Now over here, I'm gonna write a program to print something. To print something, you're gonna just write print and then you can, have the brackets and inverted commas, double inverted commas or single inverted commas as you wish. I usually prefer double inverted commas. Now over here you can write anything between the two double inverted commas. Over here you can write anything. Over here I'm gonna write hello world. Okay, yeah, you can write anything, but I'm writing hello world. Now let's run and see what happens. Okay, you can see, wait, let me just have it better for you. Python program. Actually the name is main.py, so there you go, it's hello world. The hello world is printed. Over here you can write anything like your name, that is something. Let me just write mosh, my coach, of course. And then like my name. You can have anything like mom, monkey, or like dad, or anything. Then we just run. You get to see that there are actually many things that will be printed. You can write anything, even if it does not make sense, it's okay, because it would just give out something. It will print whatever is between these two braces. Okay, now let me just show you the input function. And before input function, we'll actually learn about variables. A variable is a box that can contain many things like values. Okay, now over here, values, from values I mean different kinds of values where you can add things like a box. So a is a box. So over here inside a, I'm gonna actually add my age, that is 12, and then I'm gonna print the variable a. Now focus over here that I've not used this over here. If I use this, then it would exactly just print a. And if I remove this double digits, then we can see that it will print out 12 over here. We can see over here as well that it prints out 12. And because this a refers to the variable a, and this is a string. Now what is a string? A string is simply anything written between these two. Anything written between these two is a string. Now let me know, guys, there are actually thousands of variable data types. Now what is a data type? A data type is a thing that declares, that is a property of variable that says what kind of material can you store in the thing. So if you take a box and you want to fill liquid in it, it would be really hard for you. But if you want to put a box or something inside another box, it would be easier for you. So over here we're gonna make one more variable. You're gonna tell the difference between them. Now you're gonna go in 20.4, then we'll have c is equals to welcome, and d over here, there we d is equals to a new variable data type that is true or false, that states true or false. Okay, yeah, over here I'm gonna name all of them. This is an integer data type, and over here this one is a float data type. Over here this one, as I said, is a string, and over here this one is a boolean. Very good. Okay, if you were with me right now, you're gonna know this thing. Okay, and now you can print anything a, and you're gonna print b, you're gonna print c. The corresponding data that is given to the variables will be printed. So in this case, printing B would give us 20.4 as the output. Now, let's do something good, okay? Now let's do an input function. What is an input function? Input function takes input from user, but you need to store it somewhere. And to store it somewhere, you need a variable. So let's name a variable age, okay? And age is equals to input. Now input is a predefined function that takes input from the user. Now you're gonna put the string inside it which states the message you want to pass to user or you want to convey to user. So in my case, I'm gonna tell enter your age. Okay, so over here entering your age, I'm asking it for I'm asking the user to enter their age. Now to enter their age, they need to just actually run the program, and as soon as they run their programs, you'll know it. Now let me just show it to you. Now the message is printed, the string is printed out, that is enter your age, and then I'm gonna enter anything like 123 is my age, and then it will not take anything out. Now actually 123 is stored into the variable age over here. Now let's print the variable age. Okay, note that I'm not using the double inverted commas over here. Always remember that. Don't use it. Now I'm gonna use 123 and see what is output. 123 is our output. That is it, guys. We finally understood the input and print function properly. We'll see you guys tomorrow or in the next video.